Let's make some elderberry and lemon balm tea. This is a very simple recipe that is going to be delicious and quite pleasing to the palate. It's going to be a little bit sweet, a little bit tart and very, very aromatic. Elderberries are high in antioxidants and they have anti-inflammatory properties. They're good for your immune system, for your heart, for your brain. Lemon balm is a member of the mint family and it has a lot of health benefits as well, such as reducing stress and anxiety, aiding in digestion, helping with sleep and much, much more. It's a little bit sweet, a little bit tart. I think it could use a little bit more lemon. So I'm going to add another 2 drops of lemon and we'll give this another stir. Elderberry and lemon balm tea is a delicious and aromatic tea that is perfect for any time of day. It has a lot of health benefits, including reducing inflammation, boosting the immune system and aiding in digestion. Give it a try. You might just love it. Let's get right into it. We'll add 1 cup of water to our mug. We'll add 1 tablespoon of dried elderberries. You can use fresh elderberries if you like. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon balm. Now elderberries do have a really nice flavor and a lot of health benefits, but they can be a little bit astringent. It's been shown to improve mood and it can even help with sleep. Lemon balm also has antibacterial and antifungal properties. So what I like to do is I like to add a little bit of lemon juice, about 2 drops, just to kind of mellow out that astringency and bring out the flavor a little bit more. And then we're going to add a little bit of honey, about 1 teaspoon to this wonderful mixture. And now we're going to steep it for about 10 minutes. The longer you steep it, the stronger the flavor will be. While our tea is steeping, let's talk about some of the benefits of elderberry. Elderberries are high in antioxidants which help protect your cells from free radical damage. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause a lot of damage in your body. So it's just important to get a lot of antioxidants in your diet to help protect against those free radicals. Elderberry is also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, which is an antioxidant itself, and also a good source of dietary fiber. Lemon balm is a member of the mint family and it has a lot of different health benefits. It can help reduce stress and anxiety. So let's give this a stir, taste it and see how we like it. It's nice.